Welcome to this complete Positano, Italy travel guide. Nestled on the sparkling Amalfi coast, Positano is a splendid seaside village that effortlessly blends picturesque landscapes with a vibrant culture. Imagine exploring the expansive Spiaggia Grande or embarking on a journey through the majestic path of the gods. You might even find yourself captivated by the historic church of Santa Maria Assunta or relaxing on the serene Fornillo beach. There's the bustling Positano ferry port and the ancient Mar Positano Roman villa to discover. Take a scenic walk along Via Christopher Columbbo or immerse yourself in the creativity displayed at the local art galleries. You'd be remiss not to take a boat tour along the stunning Amalfi coast or unwind at the charming Lazagara Terrace cafe and garden. So ready to dive into the beauty and charm of Positano? Here we go. First on our list, the famous Spiaggia Grande. This splendid beach is the heart of Positano's seaside charm, stretching out in an expanse of sun-kissed sand against the backdrop of the town's colourful hillside dwellings. Picture yourself lounging on a beach chair, sipping a cool drink under the shade of an umbrella while soaking in the stunning landscape that surrounds you. Spiaggia Grande is not just the largest beach in Positano, but also the most vibrant, alive with the hum of locals and tourists alike. The beach is lined with charming cafes and boutiques, adding to its lively atmosphere. And let's not forget the sea itself, a hypnotic blend of emerald and sapphire, lapping gently against the shore. Whether you're a fan of water sports or simply prefer to relax and sunbathe, Spiaggia Grande has something for everyone. With its crystal clear waters and sun-kissed sands, Spiaggia Grande is a must-visit. Next, we have the awe-inspiring Path of the Gods. This hiking trail is the stuff of legends, a journey that weaves through the vibrant landscape of the Amalfi coast, offering breathtaking views that are nothing short of divine. Spanning roughly 7.5 kilometers, the path is no walk in the park, but rather a thrilling adventure that rewards the brave with a spectacle of nature's grandeur. Despite its modest difficulty level, the trail is accessible to most, though a good pair of hiking boots wouldn't go amiss. As you traverse the rugged terrain, the Mediterranean Sea unfurls beneath you in a stunning panorama, the azure waters glittering under the Italian sun. Ancient vineyards and terraced lemon groves punctuate the landscape, their vibrant colors a testament to the region's rich agricultural history. For adventure lovers and nature enthusiasts, the Path of the Gods is a heavenly experience. Now let's step into history at the Church of Santa Maria Assunta. This church, nestled in the heart of Positano, has a magnetic allure that has captivated visitors for centuries. Its historical significance lies in its roots as a Benedictine abbey in the 13th century, steeping it in a rich tapestry of heritage. The architecture is a stunning blend of Romanesque, Byzantine and Baroque styles, a testament to the myriad influences that have shaped Positano over the centuries. The church's dome, covered in majolica tiles, glimmers in the sunlight, an iconic part of the Positano skyline. Inside you'll find the famous Black Madonna icon, a Byzantine masterpiece that dates back to the 13th century. The icon, surrounded by a golden backdrop, is said to have miraculous powers, attracting pilgrims from all corners of the globe. With its rich history and stunning architecture, the Church of Santa Maria Assunta is a must-visit for history buffs. Coming up next, the tranquil Fornillo Beach. A hidden gem in Positano, this quiet haven is a delightful alternative to the more crowded Spiaggia Grande. Imagine a place where time seems to pause, where the rhythm of life slows down to match the gentle lap of the waves. That's Fornillo Beach for you. Tucked away from the hustle and bustle, Fornillo Beach offers a serene retreat for those seeking tranquility. Here, you can indulge in the simple pleasures of life, a good book, a refreshing swim, or simply a quiet moment to soak in the beauty of the surroundings. The beach is easily accessible via a scenic pathway lined with charming cafes and quaint shops, making the journey to Fornillo as delightful as the destination itself. So if you're looking for a place to escape the tourist throng and embrace the laid-back Italian lifestyle, Fornillo Beach is just the ticket. Fornillo Beach, an idyllic escape from the bustling tourist spots. Let's venture into the heart of Positano at the Ferry port. Here, the buzz of activity is as captivating as the stunning views. A hub of constant motion, the Positano ferry port teems with life as ferries glide in and out, carrying eager explorers to other gems along the coast and beyond. From this bustling port, one can set sail to the enchanting islands of Capri and Ischia, or to the nearby coastal towns of Salerno and Amalfi. Each journey promises a unique adventure, framed by the breathtaking backdrop of Positano's cliffside charm. As you wait for your ferry, take a moment to appreciate the picturesque panorama of Positano. The pastel-colored houses stacked haphazardly against the steep hillside, the azure sea shimmering under the Italian sun, and the scent of lemon groves wafting in the breeze. The Positano ferry port isn't just a point of departure, it's a vibrant showpiece of Positano's lively spirit and scenic splendor. The Positano ferry port, your gateway to exploring the Amalfi coast. Next, we travel back in time at the Mar Positano Roman Villa. This archaeological treasure trove is nestled in the heart of Positano, offering a glimpse into the town's rich history. The villa stands as a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire, a time when Positano was a thriving maritime hub. Walking through the villa is like stepping into a Roman time capsule. The villa's structure, with its intricate mosaics and frescoes, tells tales of a bygone era. From elegant courtyards to grand halls, every corner of the Mar Positano Roman villa echoes the sophistication of Roman architecture. The villa also houses a collection of fascinating artifacts. From ancient pottery to Roman coins, these relics further enrich the narrative of Positano's storied past. So if you're a history enthusiast or simply appreciate a good story, the Mar Positano Roman Villa is a must-visit. The Mar Positano Roman Villa, a fascinating journey into Positano's ancient past. Now let's stroll along the scenic Via Cristoforo Colombo and explore the art galleries. This charming pathway is more than just a route to your next destination. Each step along Via Cristoforo Colombo is a journey through the heart of Positano's vibrant artistic culture. The street is adorned with quaint boutiques, each one a treasure trove of unique finds, but the real gems of Via Cristoforo Colombo are the art galleries showcasing the exceptional talent of Positano's local artists. From contemporary art to traditional Italian pieces, these galleries are a testament to the town's thriving art scene. Each canvas tells a story, each sculpture holds a secret, and each artwork is a piece of Positano's soul waiting to be discovered. Whether you're an art aficionado or simply a curious traveler, the art galleries of Via Cristoforo Colombo offer a captivating glimpse into the creative spirit of Positano. A walk along Via Cristoforo Colombo and a visit to the art galleries, a feast for the eyes and the soul. Next, we embark on a journey on the waters with boat tours along the Amalfi coast. Picture a serene voyage on the sapphire sea, the sun casting a golden glow on the water. On this journey, you're not just an observer, but a participant in the grandeur of the Amalfi coast. Boat tours offer a unique perspective of this stunning coastline. As you cruise along, you're greeted by the sight of pastel houses precariously clinging to the hillsides, their vibrant hues mirrored in the sparkling waters below. The scent of lemon groves wafts over from the shore, mingling with the salty sea breeze. And let's not forget the nearby islands. An excursion to the Isle of Capri or the lesser-known but equally enchanting islands of Lee Galley is a must. Each island is a gem in the Mediterranean Sea, waiting to be discovered. Boat tours along the Amalfi coast, a mesmerizing experience you wouldn't want to miss. Finally, unwind at the charming Lazagara Terrace Cafe and Garden. Nestled in the heart of Positano, this delightful cafe is a haven for those in love with authentic Italian cuisine. Here you can sample an array of homemade pastries that are as mouth-watering as they are diverse. Each pastry is a testament to the passion and skill of the local artisans, baked to perfection and bursting with flavor. But it's not just the food that makes Lazagara a must-visit. The cafe is set on a lush garden terrace that offers stunning views of Positano. As you sip on a freshly brewed cup of Italian coffee or indulge in a decadent dessert, your eyes can feast on the panoramic spectacle of Positano. From its vibrant houses cascading down the hillsides to the azure waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea. This is Lazagara, the perfect place to relax and soak in the beauty of Positano. And that brings us to the end of our journey through Positano. We've traversed the expansive Spiaggia Grande, taken in the breathtaking views from the Path of the Gods, and soaked up the history at the Church of Santa Maria Assunta. We've felt the serenity of Fornillo Beach, watched the bustle at Positano Ferry Port, and explored the ancient treasures at Mar Positano Roman Villa. We've strolled down the artistic Via Cristoforo Colombo, marveled at the creations in the art galleries, and reveled in the beauty of the Amalfi coast from a boat tour. Finally, we've enjoyed the charming ambience of Lazagara Terrace Cafe and Garden, each place a unique chapter in the story of Positano. With its stunning landscapes, rich history and vibrant culture, Positano is a destination that promises an unforgettable experience. Until next time, arrivederci.